Hello everyone, welcome to Python course. This is the second video Python course. Okay, in this video we have some topics to learn. First topic today we have Python data type. Okay, built-in data type we have in Python. In programming, data type is an important concept. Variable can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Okay, like Python has the following data type built in by default in these categories. Okay, the first data type is string, also we have integer, float, complex, list, tuple, and range. Dictionary we have set and frozen set. And boolean we have bytes, bytes array, memory view, and numpy. These are the data type in Python. These data type are built in by default. Okay. First, Python numbers. There are three numeric numbers in Python. We have like integer, float, and complex. Variable of numeric type are treated when you assign a value to them. Okay, like what? Like this. X is equal to 1. Okay, 1 assigned to x. This is called integer. And 2.8 assigned to y. This is called float because we have point. Okay, and the third one z is equal to 1g. Okay, this is called complex. Like integer, our integer is whole number, positive or negative without decimal after unlimited length. Okay, we can to assign the integer numbers. Okay, like x is equal to 1, y is equal to these numbers, and z is equal to negative numbers. Okay, these are called integers. Like I will print this. Okay, now I will print just this. You will see all type of this variables. Okay, these are from data type of integers. Okay, look at this. This is all type integers. Okay, also we have fraction number like this. We will print one example of fraction number. By this way, we can predict the type of variable. Okay, just print and type x type of variable. While type function we can predict type of variable in Python. Okay, these are from that data type. Okay, also we have complex like this. Sorry for this. I will print this. Just I will print. Now we will get data type of this variable value. Okay, these are from complex data type. Okay, also we have another topic here in this lesson. We have random number. How you can predict a random number between two numbers in Python. Okay, also Python not support random method. Okay, and now we just trying to import by random dot range from start to end. Okay, like what, like this. Okay, just import random and also print random dot range from parentheses and start number, comma, and end number. We will get a random number between from 1 to 10. Okay, now I will start program. We will get one number. Okay, like this is 1. I will run again. We will get another number. Okay, now we have 6. Okay, I will change this from 5 to 10. We will get now another random number. Okay, now we get it 9. Okay, also we can to assign a string for variable like this a is equal to hello. This in this case hello or string variable assigned string value assigned to a variable. Just we can to print a, we will print hello. Multi-line string in Python you can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using 3 quotes. Okay, single quote or double quote, no problem. Okay, also you can just print or assign multi-line string to one variable. Okay, like it's equal to this multi-line string. Now we just want to print it. We must use just 3 double quotation or single quotation, no problem there. Okay, also we can to use a single quotation by this. Okay, like this. Okay, also we will change this double quotation to single. Okay, also we can print a multi-line string to one variable. Okay, this is working very good. Also we have a new topic about string or array. String or array in Python every time. Okay, like what? Like this. Now like many other popular languages, string in Python or array avoids representing Unicode characters. Okay, like we will get one example, like a is equal to hello world, and now we will print just the first index of this string. Okay, like what? This is important. Print in Python the first character is 0 index, and this is called the first index. Okay, now we have printed it because the first this is called 0 index, this is called 1 index, 2, 3, 4. Okay, by this way we can to get specific index. Looking through a string, okay, like this we can use for loop in string to print string in Python. Okay, like what for loop x and banana. Okay, print x, we will get now print b a n a n a. Okay, we will get print this later separated. Okay, and after this we have string length. How we can to get string length in Python? Just by length function we can to get length of string. Okay, like this. I will just now print this. Okay, now we have a is equal to hello world 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, and now we will get 12 or 13 we will get length of this. Okay, this is 30. Okay, by this we will find the picture length of string in Python and check string if there is this word are there in the string or not. Like what we can just by this just print and write your word in double quotation, and after this and after this whatever name, and we can print we can is this word are there or not, txt whatever equal to the best thing in life are Python or what. Okay, are free. Okay, now we want to check is free and this string or not. Okay, just print and write your word, and after this end txt with whatever name. Okay, now I will start program. Okay, this is called true because we have the two options, true or false. This is boolean. Okay, and after this we can also use if statement like this. Okay, txt is at free and txt. After this print yes free is present or no. Okay, this is this will be get true or false. Okay, check if not. Okay, also we can to use if not. Okay, not in txt. If the expensive not in txt, the boolean will be true. Okay, expensive are there in this string the boolean will be false. Okay, like we will check this. There is no expense, we will get false. True. Okay, sorry, because we use it not n. Okay, and also we can't use like this print that expensive is not present. Okay, is not implicit. Also we can slicing in Python, you can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Despite the start index and the end index separated by a colon to return a part of the string. Okay, like what? Like this. B is equal to hello world. Now we want to print from 2 index to 5 index. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is not counted and 2 are counted in this case. Okay, now we will print like this. Okay, now we will hit just LLO. Okay, like this, because the last index not counted. Okay, LLO we can get. Okay, also we can in Python to change lowercase letter to uppercase, and we can change lowercase letter to uppercase. Okay, also we can to change lowercase to small case or lowercase. Okay, just I will print this. A is equal to hello world. Now we want to just we want to just change these all letters to uppercase letters. Okay, like what? Like this. Okay, now we can't we get it lower uppercase letters, and also we can't use lower here. Okay, just lower. We will get all these words and lowercase. Okay, this is working very good. And now we have another topic. This is printed also remove white space. We have another strip method for removing white space and at the end and at the start. Okay, like this. I will print this also. Okay, here we have white space and here we have white space. Now we want to remove this white space. Okay, just we need to print a dot strip method. Okay, strip function. Sorry, we will use strip method to remove this white space. Okay, no, we don't have this white space. Okay, because we remove it by strip function. Also, we have replace string like what? The replace method replace a string with another string. Like a is equal to hello world. Now we want to print a replace h by g. Okay, how? Like this. Okay, now we will replace h by g. Like now we have yellow world. Okay, this is working very good. And now we have another topic like split string. The split method returns a list to leave the text between the specific separator. Okay, become the list item. Like you want to get this every word in single quote. Okay, how you can string? You can string like this. Okay, just we need to print a dot split. After this parenthesis double quotation, and we will select this command here. Okay, and after this we will get every word in single quote. Okay, and the output like this. Okay, look at this. Also we have square brackets and string concatenation. Okay, like what you like A is equal to hello and B is equal to word. Now we can to plus these are. Okay, like what we can to plus string in Python just by this way is A is equal to hello, B is equal to word, and C whatever is equal to A plus B. Okay, now we just want to print C. We will get output. Okay.